Hey everyone, this is Dhruv from Tech Insider India, and today I'm telling you the top features for the Redmi Note 10T 5G. The Redmi Note 10T 5G comes with a massive 6.5-inch IPS LCD display. This is an LCD screen with a maximum brightness of 500 nits. This will give you better black levels while watching content. The display has a max refresh rate of 90 Hz, so you can expect a good time while you're playing your favorite video games. The screen is protected with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 to aid it against scratches. Complementing this display is a single-piece bottom-firing speaker. We get a triple rear camera array on the Redmi Note 10T 5G. We have the main 48-megapixel wide-angle sensor, then there's the 2-megapixel macro camera, and finally there is a 2-megapixel depth sensor for those portrait shots. The camera supports HDR and can record 1080p videos at 30 FPS. On the front we have an 8-megapixel shooter. This selfie camera also supports HDR and can record 1080p videos at 30 FPS. An important highlight on the Redmi Note 10T is its processor. This is MediaTek Dimensity 700 octa-core processor. This 7nm chip is 5G enabled, which makes this phone future-proof. The Redmi Note 10T 5G comes with Android 11 out of the box, which is combined together with MIUI. This smartphone packs in a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 18-watt fast charging. So guys, those were the top features for the Redmi Note 10T 5G. I hope you found this video helpful.